Hey there, it's Ray from My Repair Guy. Today we're going to be hanging accessories in this bathroom that we're remodeling. So let's jump right into it. So we're going to hang this. This is a Robe hook. We're going to mount it on the wall over here. It'll hang right like that. It's a real simple process. Delta keeps everything pretty consistent with what they do. The kit comes with a little plate here. This is a mounting plate, 2 wall anchors and 2 screws. The main thing we want to do is determine where we're going to hang the hook exactly. Now the customers mark, because I had them mark where they want everything, so we'll go ahead and just mark right here, a little dot. That dot will be the top screw, and then we'll mark the second screw in a second. Now on this, what we do is we take the existing screw that they gave us. Oops, hang on to my phone here. And we're going to just run the screw in there. Once we drill the hole for the first hole, we take the screw back out, put the plate in there, and it's going to hang level. You can pull a little bit away from the wall if you need to, but no matter what you do, it's going to go back to level. So that's going to tell us right where the second screw needs to be. And we'll mark a dot there where we'll put the next hole. Now both the mounting screws are set. That's nice and sturdy. Now behind here is concrete board for the tub surround. So I didn't need to use the anchors because it's going right into concrete and it's not going anywhere. Normally you would drill 2 holes and put these anchors, do that black with the black glove, put these anchors into the wall, and then when you put the screw in, that spreads out and keeps it anchored to the wall. Here's the fixture, and what it does, let's see if we can get that on there. This part up here hooks onto the top of here, and the bottom part with the little Allen set screw hooks on the bottom, and you just set the Allen screw and that's what holds it in place. Let's see if we can get it on there. So right now the Allen screw is not out far enough, so you can see it's protruding away from the wall. This is the Allen screw right here, and it comes with a little Allen wrench, which is right this guy. All you do is you're going to back it out so it's at least flush. So now it'll fit. So now you notice it's nice and flush. So all we have to do now is tighten that set screw while holding this, and then it'll be good to go. That's on all the way. It's nice and solid, not going anywhere. It's nice and flush. So that's how you install that one.